I poured condensed milk onto the grated coconut and the result was amazing. In a container, I'll start by adding 100 grams of grated coconut. If you prefer, it can be in flakes. Next, I'm going to add 395 grams of condensed milk. People usually use a whole can of condensed milk, then we'll add chocolate powder to taste. Here, I used about 5 tablespoons. This chocolate is 50% cocoa. Now just mix all this up really well. It should look like this. Now take it and spread it onto a serving dish of your choice. Spread well to cover the whole dish. Now guys, let's cover it with plastic thread if you don't have any. You can use whatever plastic you want. Once you've done that, put it in the fridge and let it cool. And look at that folks, our creamy cocada without fire. Super fast and easy to make. Just look at how delicious the texture is. I do it at your house and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you guys liked it. This was another recipe from the pauper in the kitchen. Big hugs until next time, thanks.